Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. All right. So anyway, this is a brief talk, you know, just in case of anything, cause been alive since 1984, and I'm still alive here in 2023. Yep. So anyway, next month in August, that Man 24 is coming out. Well, I'm going I'm gonna upload this video on all three of my channels: the Domino 866 gameplay channel, the Domino 7 vlog channel, and the Domino 7 show channel. Okay, so this gonna be on all three of my channels. Okay, all right. So something I want to talk about, that luckily it hasn't been bothering me at all, So it's about my friend Kirsten K and her boyfriend TJ Nathan. I met him once, I met him once, but he seemed cool, long as he cool and stuff like that. hmm So, so anyway, what I think about it, they make an okay couple as far as that. At least they don't make an ugly couple. Yeah, something positive to say. And you know what? I still want her to make a song with this rap group Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know. And not only that, I would love for her to make a song with Avant, Kiki White, and Carl Thomas. You know, yeah, that would be a dream come true for us. Well, us as in me, Nathan, and Kirsten. And and stuff like that. I mean, I think it'll be great. I definitely think it'll be great if she makes songs. But you know what? I don't know if TJ Nathan raps or sings or something like that. Okay. They're in music business. I'm in TV gaming business. Okay. I'm looking outside because I saw somebody outside. You know. So I want to say that I'm very proud of Kirsten at this point. Because I want her to keep going up and up and up and rising to the top. That's what I want, okay? That's what I really want, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't done a brief talk since 2012, you know? So I think this is Brief Talk 11. I'll figure it out, okay? So the way I think about it, y'all, I'm proud of my friend Kirsten. I'm very, very proud of her. And I bet her mom is proud of her. Her family is proud of her and stuff like that. I'm proud of her even more. You know, God knows I'm proud of her. No matter what. Okay. So so anyway, y'all. When I'm thinking about friends and family, my family, because guess what? If it weren't for my family, my ratings and everything wouldn't have skyrocket. If it weren't for my herds, the herd family, Browns, whites, whatever, the herd family mostly, and I should say the Griffin family as far as that, uh, my auntie married to a Griffin, okay, so that's how my auntie, my great aunt got their last name. Uh-huh. Yep. I'm very happy of where I'm at though. Damn. Why didn't I get a battery for that? Sheesh. But anyway, y'all, I'm sounding like Kermit the Frog when he was a baby. Kermit the Frog when he was a baby. Yeah. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all, I mean, I am very elated on things. I really am. Okay. Kirsten K and stuff like that. I mean, I really like Kirsten. I really did. I really do. You know, but if we gonna just be friends, I can deal with that. I can definitely deal with that. You know. hmm And I'm not gonna say no names. I'm not gonna say no names, ladies and gentlemen. I will not say no names. Listen to me good, okay? Uh, the year before last, or was it the year before that, or something like that? Uh, this man, I'm not gonna tell you his occupation. I'm not gonna say his name. I'm not gonna tell y'all what he do in New Orleans. Okay, it's a good job, but I'm not gonna tell y'all the guy's name. Okay, because it's gonna be out there. Because I don't know who watched Domino 7. I don't know who watched my show, y'all. Cause there's a lot of people that watch my show. Cause I really don't know who watched my show. So that's why I'm not gonna say no names. You understand? I'm not gonna say no names. I'm not gonna say what he do. But let me tell you this. I don't know who the hell he gave my number to, you know. But Kirsten, if you're watching this, I want to tell you something. But but if I ever see you in person, I'm gonna keep this off social media. Okay. There's a guy claim to be your cousin, and saying all kind of hoopla. All right, jihads and all that. You know, whatever that is. Okay. So let me tell you this though. Whatever he told me, I didn't believe him at all. Okay. Whatever he did, he gave some random person my phone number. You know, I don't know who in God's name he gave my number to, but I wasn't falling for that. Okay, and that girl text me, will she marry me? And I know God dog well it wasn't Kirsten. Kirsten would never just ask me for something like that. I told her, can we meet at the road walk? And, and guess what? The girl asked me, why can I meet at her house? I mean at my house. Hell no. I'm not gonna let no anybody in my house like that. I am not gonna let nobody no anybody in my house like that. No indeed no. Too much stuff be going on out here, you know. I may be autism or whatever, Asperger's or whatever, but that don't mean I'm stupid. That don't mean I'm gullible, cause I'm not gullible. Okay, so I may do some slow things, slow whatever, but let me tell y'all something. I'm not gullible. Okay. Yeah. I can't work and stuff like that. I don't have a job. The only job I got is this. You know. Okay. All right. So it's not really a job though. Okay. hmm So as I was saying, y'all. I mean, I knew that wasn't Kirsten because maybe Kirsten liked me, but that don't mean she would jump the gun and say, will I marry her?" And and that's bullshit. Okay, that's total bullshit. You know, cause like I said, Kirsten will not stoop that low. You know, Kirsten is not like that. She the most sweetest girl I've ever met, and she's not like that. Okay, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna go up to a hurdle and, and and then get mad at Kirsten for something she didn't do. You understand? Because let me tell y'all this. I don't know who's framing somebody, but I'm what she gonna find out? She gonna ask me, you know, if she watched this video. But if I'm dead and gone and she watched this video, then I won't be able to tell her, you know. If I'm dead and gone and stuff like that, you know. Okay, all right. So like I said, Kirsten K is a sweetheart. And she'll never take advantage of your boy Domino 7. She not gonna take advantage of the guy she with, you know, TJ Nathan. You know, I'm not sure, but he seemed like a cool guy as far as that. But I hope he is though. He in the music instruments all that. But I'll introduce him to some famous people as well. You know, If he a good guy, he's family too. Okay, but we all know what we call family, but blood is family. They're not related to me. Kirsten ain't related to me. You know. hmm So more to say. Okay. So so like I said, Kirsten K, she's a sweetheart. You know. I mean, and you know what? I hate to bring this up though. This happened like in 2015. This girl named T. You understand? I'm not gonna say her full name or her real name at all, and I'm not gonna say where she work at. You know, this girl T. Let me sit down and tell y'all. Okay, this girl T. She calls herself talking about that Kirsten says she liked me and all that. Kirsten missed me. And you know, I don't know. I don't know why that happened, but I gave that to the Lord. You know, when Kirsten smiled at me and all that, saying that, yeah, I do miss you. Yeah, I remember that. Kirsten, you probably don't remember that, but I remember that. But I'm gonna forget about that. Okay, because that ain't important anymore. Okay, that's not important anymore. Well, at that time, she was 19, I do believe. You know, well, she made 18 in 2015. Yeah, she made 18 in 2015. You know, that's around the time I met her. Okay, but she didn't seem tempted about me like that. You know, okay. I remember this like it was yesterday when I introduced myself to her. I assume it was April of 2015 or May or something like that. One of those days, you know, I'm not gonna say where she was working at, unless she want me to say it, but because that'll put the cat out the box, you know, of the situation I'm talking about, you know. So, as I was saying, y'all, when I met Kirsten, I was happy to meet her. I was really happy to meet her, you know. I didn't at that time. I didn't know she was a singer, y'all. I didn't know she was a singer. I didn't know she sung real good. She makes some good music videos. Okay, she makes some good music videos. Okay, two. Okay, or three. I don't know. I gotta check that out. Okay. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all, I mean, I introduced myself to Kirsten and all that, and then I told her about my show, this show here. Okay, so I told her I do shows on YouTube, and then I also told her I go to parades and stuff. Back then, I didn't do gaming at all then. Okay, I ain't do gaming at all then. You know, if I was doing gaming, I was putting my webcam to the TV because I didn't have a game capture card then. You know. hmm So so as I was saying, y'all, I was I was very glad to meet her. Well, I'm skipping something. Okay, as I was saying, y'all, I told her I go to parades and stuff, and then I told y'all gonna laugh. I told her I had booty shaking on my show. She said, "Well, I ain't gonna watch it then." I said, "It was just a one time thing. I don't really allow that. It just happened." She said, "Well, I ain't gonna watch it if you had booty shaking on your show." Well, actually, I told her that to see what she was gonna say. You know, I was so glad to hear her say that word, the word booty. I've always wanted to hear her say that word. You know, when I got to know her, you know, I kind of got her to say that word. You know, I ain't gonna watch it if you have booty shaking on your show. You know, that's exactly what she said. But let me tell y'all this: that wasn't planned at all. That definitely wasn't planned. Okay, trust me, it wasn't planned because guess what? the girls was marching in a parade, and then they did that, you know. So I'll I'll upload the video on this channel or these channels or whatever channel you're watching this video on. I'll upload it on this channel one day, okay? All right, I promise y'all one day when I do the Domino 7 Show Classic, okay? So it'll be Mardi Gras Day 2014 rainy Mardi Gras Day, okay? That's what it's gonna be, okay? All right, so that's a bit it, I guess. All right, so thank y'all for watching so far, okay? So next Saturday, I do believe I'm gonna go to my high school picnic, okay? I wonder who gonna be there. Okay, uh, my friend Catrice and her boyfriend Javon. Who will it be? Oh, and before you know it, Catrice. I don't know if y'all saw the episode when Catrice lied and said that I was her ex boyfriend. Talk about her ex man. Let me tell y'all something. Catrice is lying, y'all. Catrice is lying, honestly. Okay, cause let me tell y'all this. Me and Catrice was never in a relationship. She had a nasty attitude with me. You know, me and Catrice was never in a relationship because she had a nasty attitude with me. You heard me? I'm sorry to tell y'all that. Okay, I'm sorry, Catrice, if you're watching this, and I'm pretty sure she gonna be watching this. And then did y'all hear that video? I mean, say that episode when Javon said he'll give her back to me. Give her back to me. Javon, I never had her to begin with. I never had her, period. I'm not going to say to begin with. I never had her, period. You know? My mama never met Catrice. My grandmother never met Catrice. None of my family members that I knew of met Catrice Eugene. Oh, shit. I should have mentioned her full name. Damn. Oh, well. Oh, well. I made a mistake. Oh, well. Mm. All right. That's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching this brief talk. All right. Bye.